Now let's take a look at our pound USD for the week. I think we should start off with our weekly time frame so we can understand the full picture on our pound USD. If you are to analyze it weekly time frame, we are actually on a bearish move weekly. Our pound to our USD is actually falling, which means our pound has actually been dropping massively against our USD on weekly time frame. So if we want to trade it long term, we have to actually look for opportunity to actually short it, or short this our pound USD. So basically our pound is actually bearish. We can see this I'll call here a fall. We can see here a retracement. We can see here a fall, right? And I will be considering here as a retracement, by the way, for this week, right? Our market has actually closed, and we can see here a pullback, right? And we actually added this pullback on this our previous lower lows. You can see our price came in and bounced up. So once our price have come here, right, there's every possibility for once our price opens that we will be dropping very soon. So that is an indication that our pound to our USD would be dropping very soon. Last week we had a bullish move, this week a bullish move. So this coming week we are to open or to start with, we're very much likely to have a bearish move or a drop on our pound USD. So anytime soon we will be having a drop. So to actually probably see where we are having a drop, we should actually go on our daily time frame. Now we can see this is a key level here where our price was we alighted on our weekly time frame and our price reacted to, and now very much likely our price is at this key level area, so we will be seeing a drop anytime soon once our markets open. So we should actually focus on shorting, on selling this our pound USD, but it depends on when it starts giving us. We just don't know where, because how the market makers move this price, by the way. So if possibly our price does not actually fall from here like we have predicted, and it's continue to go give us that bullish move, then I tell you that we will be seeing that fall around this area here. I will be seeing probably to actually take it this level here and actually see that fall. So there are two places we probably might see that bearish move for this week. Probably once our price opens, we will start seeing that fall, or our pound to our USD will give us a little bit bullish move, then a fall. That is exactly why I'm saying we'll be seeing a fall anytime soon on our pound USD, but it depends on when. Now let's take a look at our USD index. Our USD index is actually dropping, right? It remains at least some few, I think about, let's say, 50 to 60 pips more for our USD index to actually tap this our key level area before we actually see that movement. So once this our USD index is actually coming down, we will be seeing that bullish move on our pound USD, which is not that much. So once our USD index actually comes here, tap this our key level, and it starts giving us that bullish move, then that is when our pound will start giving us that bearish move. So once our USD index is going bullish, then our pound will actually be falling. So actually this week we should actually be expecting a fall anytime soon on our pound to our USD, while our USD itself will start going bullish this week anytime soon.